video from the Centers for Disease Control website shows the persistent cough associated with pertussis, also known as the whooping cough. It's a contagious bacterial disease that has resurfaced around the state and nation, despite vaccines that offer protection. In Hunterdon County, there has been a 625% increase in cases over last year.
It can be very serious in anyone, but particularly the very young, people with weakened immune systems, and the very old.
Dr. Brito says the number of cases fluctuates from year to year and region to region, but so far this year there have been 100 confirmed cases of pertussis in New Jersey, which is a slight increase. The majority have been in Hunterdon County. Between September 2010 to May of 2011, there were 8 cases. During the same time period for 2011 to 2012, there have been 50 reported cases. 72% of these cases have appeared in the townships of Alexandria, Clinton, and Raritan. Another 15 cases remain under investigation. The people infected range from age 4 to the mid-60s. No one has been hospitalized, but county health officials have been advising schools, daycare providers, and primary care providers to be on the lookout for signs of pertussis. Nationwide, there's also been an increase in the number of whooping cough cases. In 2010, there were 27,550 reported cases, including 25 infant deaths, the largest number reported in 52 years.
We're not seeing an epidemic of pertussis. We're just seeing a little slight increase. And number one thing to do is get fully immunized against it, including the booster shot.
Marianne Saperstein says her child's middle school has 15 cases of pertussis.
All my kids have their vaccinations, so I know that's not 100%, but you just hope they don't get it and keep your fingers crossed.
So it's just a matter of being constantly vigilant and seeing what's going on and just being informed and making the best decisions you can.
Health experts say vaccines provide the best protection. The overwhelming majority of people infected in Hunterdon County were immunized. Children are required to get vaccinated and get booster shots, but there are exemptions. And opponents argue vaccines aren't 100% effective.
The immunity or protection against the disease does tend to wear off over time, and that's why since 2008 the Department of Health has required the booster vaccine for children entering 6th grade.
Health officials also encourage adults who have never had the vaccine to consult a physician about possibly getting a booster shot. For NJ Today, I'm Desiree Taylor in Flemington.